Ever wondered which liquid is safest and most effective for cleaning circuit boards? Should you use water, alcohol, or something stronger like acetone? In this video, we're testing all three and breaking down the science behind what you should and shouldn't use when cleaning a PCB. So let's get started. Printed circuit boards, or PCBs, are the heart of all electronic devices. Over time, they collect dust, flux residue, moisture, and even corrosion, especially after repairs or soldering. Cleaning them properly is crucial for performance, reliability, and even safety. So let's start with water. Most people use water to wash PCBs, but it's crucial to use the right type and take precautions to ensure proper drying. Distilled or deionized water is recommended as the final rinse to avoid material deposits and potential corrosion. But the only problem with water is that it takes a long time to dry. So, improperly dried, deionized, or distilled water on a PCB can lead to corrosion, conductivity issues, and potential short circuits. While these types of water are initially low in conductive impurities, they can still leave behind residue and attract contaminants, especially if it's not fully dried. So this can compromise the PCB performance and potentially damage components. So how about acetone? Acetone is a powerful solvent. It cleans well, but it can damage plastic components, remove silk screens, and degrade coatings. It's effective, but risky. Only use it in rare cases, never on delicate boards. So guys, let's look at alcohol. Not any kind of alcohol, but isopropyl alcohol, especially at 90% or higher, is perfect. It evaporates quickly and removes flux and oils, and it doesn't leave any residue. It's safe on components and it doesn't corrode, and is widely used in electronic repairs. So guys, here's our final verdict. Water. Water is risky and corrosive. So how about acetone? Acetone is effective, but it is harsh and risky. And how about isopropyl alcohol? Isopropyl alcohol is safe, effective, and it is the best option. So remember, always use soft brush when cleaning PCBs and make sure the board is completely dry before powering it up. And whenever possible, go for 99% isopropyl alcohol. It's the safest and most reliable choice. And so guys, if you find this video helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical electronic tips. If you got any questions or your own experience cleaning circuit boards, drop them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. So stay creative and stay safe. Goodbye.